For this video, we will be graphing the cotangent function. So to start out, we need to list out the amplitude and period. So here my amplitude is 2, always comes from the number in front of the function, and then b is going to help us with our period. So the formula for period for cotangent is pi over b. So b in this case is 1 because there is no number there, so our period is pi. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to get our scale for our x-axis, which is pi over 4, because we take whatever the period is and divide that by 4. So next, we are going to label the x-axis using that period. So we have pi over 4. Our next one is 2 pi over 4, which is pi over 2. Then we have 3 pi over 4. And 4 pi over 4 is pi. So for the cotangent function, we have asymptotes on the outside intervals. So that would be the y-axis and our final interval, which matches up with our period, so pi. The next thing we're going to do is plot the middle right in the center. So this is where our first critical point will go, right in the center, leaving 2 intervals open on either side. Next, we're going to use the amplitude to label the y-axis. So we go up 2 and down 2. And to plot our next critical points for the cotangent function, this goes up on the left and down on the right. So we would plot up and down on the other 2 intervals. You then would create your graph by connecting the points. Keep in mind, if this number in front is negative, it would flip and go the opposite way. So your point would be down on the left and up on the right, and it would go the opposite direction.